it's Maddie from Fonehouse, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony Xperia I Mark II. This is Sony's most recent top tier device, so let's dive in and take a look. Starting off with the packaging itself, we get to enjoy a classic simplified box. On the front you can see the handset name and the Sony logo. All else on the box is a few specifications. Opening up the box, we're straight away met with the Xperia I Mark II itself. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this right now, because we'll take a look at this later on. When we remove the phone, we're then met with a few instruction manuals. Again, I'm not going to bore you with going through these. Just like all other Sony handsets, underneath the phone compartment, we're then met with a USB to Type-C charger, a UK mains plug, and some standard wired earbuds. Now, let's dive in and take a look at the Sony Xperia I Mark II. Setting off with the actual design of the new Xperia, we've got the black variant, but there is also the option to buy a purple variant too. With an all-glass design, you get to experience a super high quality design. All that's on the back of the phone is the camera system, a small Sony logo, and the Xperia logo. The fingerprint sensor has actually been moved to the edge of the phone so that it leaves space for the design to shine through. Flipping over to the front of the Xperia I Mark II, you're greeted by the 6.5-inch display. Sony have actually removed as much of the edge bezeling as possible to make sure you enjoy a cinematic screen. They've even reduced the selfie camera down to a tiny punch hole to make sure that it doesn't take away any important viewing space. Moving over to the camera setups, you're met with an 8-megapixel lens in the selfie setup. Using this camera, you'll be able to capture some seriously eye-catching selfies. That being said, the rear camera is where it gets seriously impressive. When you turn the Xperia I Mark II over, you can see the quad lens camera system. In this system, you can see a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 126-degree field of view. Next up is the 12-megapixel main camera, which is going to give you real-time auto eye focus. The next lens is a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. You'll also find the TOF 3D sensor, which is going to give you loads of depth in all of your photos. Whilst these are all impressive features, you're probably wondering what makes the Sony Xperia I Mark II tick. Well, the brains behind this phone are actually the Snapdragon 865 5G chip. This processor gives you the ability to enjoy super fast speeds. Paired with a 5G ready contract, you're going to experience speeds like no other. These speeds make this phone perfect for gaming or even watching your favourite films. But it's not the only thing in the phone that makes this phone wonderful. With so many top features, the Sony Xperia I Mark II is going to need a powerful battery to keep it going. And that's exactly what it's got. Keeping this phone powered is a 4,000 mAh battery. Now, of course, you're going to have to charge it every now and then. And this battery is actually compatible with PD fast charging. That means that you're going to get up to 50% of the entire battery in only 30 minutes. And you can also use wireless charging if that's something that suits you better. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below what you would like to see us unbox next. There's links to all of our social medias in the description so you can stay up to date with the latest Fonehouse news. We'll see you next time. Bye guys!